How to fix Google Play Store not opening on your Android device. First of all, there might be some issues of your app not being able to update or the Google Play Store not being able to update. Because of this, some problems causes and the Google Play Store is not opening. So to close it, just go ahead and tap on the Google Play Store, then click on its settings. After you go to settings, you can see the option of force stop. Go ahead and tap on force stop once, then tap on OK. Now try opening Google Play Store. If it is still not working, just go ahead and click on storage and you can see some data has been there. So go ahead and tap on clear data, click on delete and try opening it. If it is still not working, just go ahead and clear the cache and it might work. But if the problem is still there, I suggest you to restart the app. So go ahead and restart the app once, try opening it once again, and the Play Store will succeed on opening once again. So this is how easy it is to fix the Google Play Store not opening on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.